Thanks for joining us at AI for Good Global Summit 2024, where I'm delighted to be joined by Georges-Olivier Reymond. He's the CEO at Pasqal. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you very much for inviting me.
Georges-Olivier, to start with, can you tell us more about Pasqal and the technology you are developing, quantum computing, what the benefits, use cases are, especially in terms of energy efficiency, and how you integrate it with AI?
Yeah, maybe I can start by explaining why quantum computing can do for AI. And today the AI is facing huge challenges, which is the computational power, how to build supercomputer that can train the model that we have now in our arsenal, and how to do that at a low energy cost. And part of the answer is to go quantum. The quantum computers, it's an amazing computational power, far better than what we know today. You know, it's not continuous improvement, it's a breakthrough. And the beauty is that it comes at a very low energy cost.
And that's very relevant in a world where we're trying to decarbonize, of course, and that helps us with one of the SDGs, which is around, of course, climate action. So yes, let's talk about the SDGs. That's what we're here for, of course. SDGs and quantum computing. How can quantum technology and computing help accelerate the delivery of the SDGs?
Well, it can help on twofold. First one is with the applications. Quantum computing, will transform all verticals. You can use quantum to better manage the electrical grids, to save electricity. You can use a quantum computer to design new drugs. You can use a quantum computer to find new materials for batteries, as an example. So by the usage, we can really have a positive impact of a carbon footprint. And the cherry on the cake is the fact that the quantum computer by itself is also low energy efficient. If you want to, it would be foolish to try to tackle the global warming using processors that are power hungry.
Quantum computing is still an emerging technology. So what are the main challenges you are facing currently in deploying the technology?
Well, I think that the first challenges are behind. What I mean here is that now we have a product at Pasqal, we have the hardware, and we are even able to deliver it to data centers. Today it's happening. I mean, we are delivering to our European partners. We are able to sell quantum computers to private corporate, which is quite new, because the product is ready. We have the use cases, and we already have enough power to create value. That being said, we still have a couple of challenges in front of us. Scaling a company, which is always a challenge, believe me, despite what the company is doing. And we have a couple more technical ones because we have a fantastic technology for our quantum computer, and we believe that we can travel very far with it. It's thinking of a moonshot or Mars shot. We have a strong technical roadmap, and we have a couple of technical challenges to meet here.
Georges-Olivier, I understand it's your first time at the summit, so why did you decide to attend, and how are you finding it so far?
Well, I mean, my answer will be twofold. First, AI. As I told you, I believe that quantum computing is currently adding a new pillar to AI and will help it to enter a more sustainable world, first of all. And second is for good. Today we are building a new tool, a fantastic tool that is super powerful, but we need to use it for good things, which is really, really important. Otherwise, I mean, I think it will waste all our effort. The company is named after Blaise Pascal, the famous French physicist, mathematician, and philosopher, who was also an inventor and entrepreneur. And he always wanted to put some sense, some meaning into his invention, his tech. And I think we should bear that in mind.
So to conclude with, how long until we see quantum being used?
Now, it's already happening. It's already been used. We have more than 50 customers at Pasqal. That being said, we need now a kind of a break even, so the point where quantum computing will do better than classical ones, where a company will decide to move from proof of concept into production. We are not that far. I think 2 or 3 years away, not that much.
Well, thank you very much for joining us and for sharing your insights with us today. Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome.
That was Georges-Olivier Reymond, CEO at Pasqal, the quantum company. Thank you for watching.